Hey, so it's Brady Wyrick here, and I wanted to kind of share a few thoughts that I had. Yesterday I was out on a bike ride, and I live here in southeast Idaho, and my house is halfway between country and city, so it's out there. There's farmlands around, and I like to get out there on my bicycle in the mornings and put a few miles in before I come to work. And you know, we'll post some more stuff about exercise and the benefits there. But I'm out on my bicycle, and it's June, so it's crop season. And I'm an airplane enthusiast. I enjoy airplanes. I'm not a pilot, but I certainly enjoy watching them fly. That's another story for another time. But as I'm out there riding my bike, there was a crop duster that was working the fields nearby where I was riding, and being a plane enthusiast, I stopped and watched, and my inner 12-year-old really enjoyed sitting there watching this plane maneuver back and forth and deliver its cargo to the crops. But it took me back, my thought process went back to what he's actually delivering, and what they're basically delivering is Roundup, and it is used to kill the weeds so the crops grow. The scientific term for it is called glyphosate, excuse me. And it is a chemical that affects a very specific reaction within the plant, the broadleaf-based plants, that will cause that plant to die. Now, the maker of Roundup is the company Monsanto, and they claim up and down that these chemicals, this glyphosate, is perfectly healthy for animals, and we do not have the specific biochemical reaction that these plants do, so it doesn't affect us. So their claim is it's safe, the FDA's claim is safe, and so we can effectively weed these fields and keep the crop. Well, the problem is we start genetically modifying the corn, the soybeans, etc., to not react to that glyphosate, and we end up consuming it as human beings. Well, while it may not affect us as human, what it does affect is your gut microbiome. What is that? That is all of the bacteria that live in your gut that make a symbiotic relationship with you. And you actually have, for every human cell that you have 10 bacteria cells in your digestive tract. So it actually kills the good bugs and proliferates the bad bugs and causes what's called dysbiosis, which is a unbalance between the good bugs and bad bugs. That can set off an autoimmune response. That can set off neurodegenerative type disorders. And this stuff, this Roundup or glyphosate, whatever you want to call it, has been linked with autism, multiple sclerosis, digestive disorders, Alzheimer's, neurodegenerative disorders. It's been linked directly through that, and I think it comes, and there's research to back me up, that it actually comes right through the gut bacteria and the effects of glyphosate on the gut bacteria. So if you're not buying organic, that's why you need to wash your food. But you know, with organic, you're not going to get those chemicals. So that's my ramblings for today. I enjoyed watching that airplane, but you know, smelling the stuff in my nose and knowing what that actually does to the human body was a little bit disturbing. And hopefully that cleared up some information for you on why these chemicals are so bad for us. So hope you enjoyed that quick video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.